So today we're going to turn this and this into this. Okay guys, this is the new chair and ottoman that we purchased, and I've already unboxed it, so I'm going to go ahead and take the legs out, mount the legs, and put it all in place. Kind of show you guys what that process looks like. Alright, let's get with it. Alright, so before we get started today, we may want to read the instructions. No, we're good. So these are the tools and the parts that came with the ottoman. Legs open. This process is basically going to be the same for the chair as well. Okay, so this is pre-drilled, and it looks like there's a little carving out area here to make this fit in a little bit easier. Slide it in here. Start your first screw. Go ahead and put the flathead washer as well as the lock washer. So we'll go ahead and get all these mounted. That's the finished product for that one. We'll set it aside and get started on the chair. The legs are stored up inside the chair base. Basically, they've tied a little strap, I think, to the frame structure or the springs inside the chair base. Same thing with the ottoman. Just gonna pull these out so they don't stay in there. Nice little concealed compartment. Just going to zip it back up. What I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to flip it around, turn it on its head basically, so that these are easier to install. Basically comes with the same items in a package. Cut it out. Put this up so you can see it. Again, it's 4 legs, individually packed and sealed. Get those cut out. Again, this is the same package as before. It comes with the bolts, screws, whatever you prefer to call it, and then the flathead washers, the lock washers, and the Allen tool. It's a hex head. I'm not sure what size it says. It says H4, but that may be just a part number for this package. Looks like these bolts do come with Loctite pre-installed, so they shouldn't back out. Okay, where did my drill go? All right, like a NASCAR mechanic. Not really. I'm gonna cut the tags off of it. Alright, I think that's it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you on the next episode.